Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, June the 7th, 2022. We have here in this puzzle page only one regular Sudoku, and it's medium Sudoku. And in this puzzle page, we have also an additional with 9 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 1 star, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, killer Sudoku, and 2 binaries. Yes, total of 9 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them, 5 of them I will solve. And the news of today, yes, this is Rafael Nadal, tennis. He has won the Grandslam in Paris. Yes, Roland Garros, the 22nd Grandslam. That's the news of today. All right, let me start with the the medium Sudoku. Number, this will be number 4661. All right. 4661. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, the 3 stars, the 4 stars, and the 4 stars. Sorry, the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars in the additional. This will be easier than the 1 star. For the 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. All right. So let's get started. Let me see. We have a 4 in this row. We have a 4 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4 in this column. So no 4 there, 4 should be here. All right. 4. I cannot continue with the 4. How about let me see. Yeah. 2. Yes. I'm scanning. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. The 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. The 2 in this row, first row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 there. The 2 supposed to be there. All right. The 8 in this column, the 8 in the column next, so last column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9, we have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see that 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. All right. Okay. Then. Let me see. 7, 7, no. Am I stuck? Well, 7, need a 7 there. Need a 9 there. 3, 3, 3, 3. No. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row will be 3 in the second row. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the last row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3 in the first column, so no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. The 9 in this row, the last row, the 9 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, okay, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in the first row, so no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in the first row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9 in this column, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. All right. Okay. Then 1, 7 and 8, 6, 8 and 1. All right. Come on. 1, 2, 8, 2, 2. I'm thinking. 2, 8 and a 7, 2, 5. Yeah, the 5 in this row, the 5 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the third column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the second row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5 in this row, so no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. All right. 8, 1, 2, 8. Need an 8 here. Okay. Then 1, 8. 1, 8, 7, 6. No. 6. Yeah. 6. We have a 4 in this row, third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next to only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the first column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4's are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 4. All right. Then 186. I'm thinking. 2. Yes. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of those missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 in this column, middle column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, here, or there. We have a 2 in one of those 3 boxes in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column for number, so 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6 and 7, okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1, 1. Okay, 1, 9. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 in the 7, 6 in the 7. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, and 9. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Let me see. 1. Well, 2 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5. Oh, we already have a 5 here. Oh, almost made a mistake. So 1 is missing, the 5 we have here. This 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And this should be a 1. Almost made the mistake. Yeah. 6, 6. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the third column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the second column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 6. Alright. 2 numbers left in the last row. 4 numbers, so 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1 and a 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 7 in this column, third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 5, number 7. 2 numbers left in this. No. 1 and the 2 are missing in the third column. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be an 8. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 box left in the first column for number 1, the 2 is missing. Alright, 1 box left in the middle row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9, we have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, it's faster than 50 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.